Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get Flipside on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So let me tell you that first of all you should know that what is Flipside. So guys, you have to tap on Instagram, and when you tap on your profile guys, you can see your posts here, and you can also see that you can flip sides your posts, and you can see the highlights of your posts here. Okay guys, if flip side option is not available to you, then I'll show you how can you enable it. So first of all you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open App Store, and here you have to search for the Instagram. So let me search here guys. So first of all guys, you have to update the Instagram, so let me update it. So from here you have to update the Instagram app, and after that guys, try to open it again. So guys, after updating the app, if still it's not showing for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go back from here, and if you're using iPhone, scroll it down a bit and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. Now after that guys, if it's still not showing, then it means your country origin is not valid for that one. So you have to make sure that if you have changed the region or country in which this option is showing, just simply have to tap on language and region, and just simply have to select the same region in which this option is showing. Okay guys, if it's still not showing for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to launch the Instagram app again. So let me open the Instagram app from here guys. So let's wait because it's updating here. So let me show you here guys. So you can see here guys, it's updating here. So let's wait till it's updated. Here's the Instagram. So you have to open the Instagram app, tap on your profile, tap on three lines, tap on settings and privacy, scroll it down a bit, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to look it for the help section. So tap on report a problem. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on report a problem again, tap on include and continue, and here you have to briefly explain what happened to you. Just simply write hello Instagram, team Flipside option is not available, please enable it on my account. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on send your request will be submitted, and after that hopefully you can get this feature. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.